I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it is so good to see you again. On this channel, I share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I have a super Halloween shopping haul to share with you. Some of these items you can use as is, ready to display, or you can change them up to fit your personal home decor. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of the upcoming holiday fun. So now let's get to this super Halloween haul. All right, everybody, let's get started with this super Halloween haul I have. I've been getting this Halloween haul ready for you. It has been an experience, a good experience, but an experience nonetheless. I'm really looking forward to showing you everything that I got from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna get started with these pumpkins. So these are foam pumpkins. They come 4 in a pack, and these are the orange and black, and then I got the purple and gold. So these look really good in your Halloween wreaths or any one of your floral arrangements that you can just put them in there. So these go really good with everything that you're going to be making for Halloween. I also picked up some of these witch hat picks. These witch hat picks come in 3 colors. We got the orange, the green, and the purple with black. So these also go really good in your wreaths or floral arrangements. And I got some creepy crawlers. And so I got some snakes, some bugs, some spiders, because what's Halloween without creepy crawlers? I got a bag of skulls. This is an 8-pack. So there's 8 skulls in these packs, and these are really neat. You can put jewels in those eyeballs and make a candle holder out of them. So all kinds of stuff we can do with these, and I'm really looking forward to the DIYs I'll be making with these skulls. And I picked up some skeleton garland. These are 60-inch garlands. There's 4 skeletons in each garland. And you can take these apart and use each skeleton individually in your decor, or you can hang them on your mantles, place them all around your house, on your windows, and they really add a lot of Halloween character there. I got these metal words. This pack of metal words say haunted, spooky, and beware. And then this is what they look like. Here's the beware, spooky, and haunted. So you got 3 of those in there. Those are a lot of fun. I picked up some wood cutouts. I got some ghosts. These ghosts come 5 in a pack. They have the jute string, so you can hang them individually from the holes there. Or you can make a garland out of them. And I also got the witches hats. These are also 5 in a pack with the jute string. And I'm going to be making a really fun garland out of the witches hats. So we got some of those. Also got these wood cutouts. I got the one that says Wicked, and you can see that it says Wicked. It's got the witch's hat and the broomstick, and then the word Wicked on there. And then this witchy poo with her cauldron making up her brew, and then the witch cut out on this side. So all kinds of fun things we can do with these. Paint them, decoupage them, just hang them once they're done. So all kinds of ideas. Let me know in the comments below what you're going to be doing with your wood cutouts, or what you would do if you had these wood cutouts. Give me some ideas, folks, in case I run out. Some other things I got is the creepy cloth. Have you ever hung this around your house and just put it on your windows or anywhere that you want to add that little spooky touch? So I got one of these creepy cloths. I got, you've probably been eyeing this, but let me show you. It is a garden stake, and I got this garden stake because I'm going to be making something with the crossbone skulls. Not going to be using it as a garden stake, but you can certainly put these in your front lawns or in your backyard for your Halloween festivities and see what people are going to be doing this year with the kids not going out. So I think there's going to be lots of fun ideas and creative ways to celebrate Halloween this year, of course with our families, which is a good thing, right? And then I also got these scarves from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree carries holiday scarves for every holiday that comes along, and I really like to use these scarves in DIYs. I also like to use these scarves. I do have a few of them that I use. They're a lot of fun, a lot of different prints. This one is the jack-o'-lanterns in the black and the orange, and then this purple and black one is has black bats on it. You can see that up close, and they are really soft to wear around your neck. They don't scratch, they're not itchy scratchy. And I got this one that just has a lot of different Halloween things on it. It has the witch's cauldron, it has bats, it has cats, it says trick or treat, October, boo, and spooky. So this one is really pretty. I really like all the colors in that one. And this one is really eerie. It's black with the white spider webs on it. So I really like that one. Going to be using that one in a DIY soon, so stay tuned to watch that one. And this one's really interesting. It's just your black and white. This one just screams Wednesday to me, doesn't it? Doesn't this just look like something that Wednesday's just gonna wear because, you know, she wants that splash of color, a little bit of white, you know, add a little bit of color in her wardrobe. But this one is really pretty just because it's in the black and white, and it really goes with all the Halloween things. I also got this ball or whatever kind of yarn, and this is 42 yards. I'm just still in shock that this is 42, folks, 42 yards of yarn for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I picked this up because I'm going to be making something for Halloween with it. Because of the purple and green and black, it just screamed witchy poo colors to me. So something witch themed is going to come out of this, and if you stay tuned, watch my videos upcoming, and you'll see what I make with this. Alright, so I got that. And then I got some necklaces. I got 2 packs of necklaces. One of the DIYs I'm going to be making, we can incorporate these in there, so I got them just in case, but if not, they're a lot of fun. They have skulls and bones on them, and they're black, gold, and purple. So these are fun in your DIYs, or they're fun to wear or to give in the kids treat bags at your Halloween party. I think the kids really like those when they come in. You can give them a necklace so that they can wear during the party. So those are a lot of fun. If I don't use those in a DIY, they're definitely going to be used at a party. And then I got some ribbon. I picked up 5 rolls of 9-foot ribbon. These are 9 feet. This one is white with the black bats, and these are all wired edge ribbons, so these are perfect to make your bows for Halloween. And then this one says spooky, trick or treat, Halloween, boo, haunted house. So that one's really pretty. This one has skulls on it in black and orange, and it says Happy Halloween. And then this one also says Happy Halloween, but it's got the spiders, ooh, icky, creepy spiders, and spider webs on it. And then your black and orange, what's this called? Royal check? I can't remember what they call this, but This one's a lot of fun. So there's that. So I got those rolls to make some beautiful Halloween bows. Can't wait to make those. And last but not least, I got this beautiful door hanger, and it says join our Black Hat Society, inquire inside, and it's got the Witchy Poo flying across the sky there. The Witchy Poo and the spiders are my favorite for Halloween. Comment down below, tell me what's your favorite Halloween decor, or what's your favorite I don't know, Halloween theme. So I really like the witches and the spiders. And if you'd like to see what I end up making with all these beautiful things, am I going to make one large DIY for Halloween, or am I going to make several and make something with each of these? Well, I have a few ideas, and I am going to be using all of them, and I am going to be using them all at one time. But am I making one thing or several? What do you think? Probably several. But anyway, thanks for joining me, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss out on any fun. Bye!